These are my old headphones, my cans, my skull candy, my chunky funks. I've been meaning to refurbish them for a while now. The faux leather is disintegrating and the rubber texture has turned into a sticky goo, which means it holds onto lots of dust. I've replaced the ear pads once before, but they could do with a new set. I'm going to paint it using this red anodized clear coat. It's intended for chrome car parts, but looks good over silver painted plastic. But I want to capture the copper tones in the HyperX logo, so I'm going to try a copper base coat and see how that turns out. It's a gaming headset, so it's got a detachable mic, for all my good call-outs in-game. Hey guys, can someone res me? Look at this cool little circuit board. Speaking of cool little circuit boards, with PCBWay you do not get what you pay for. You get much more, making higher quality boards than their competitors, with more customization options to perfectly fit your project requirements. They also offer circuit board assembly, starting from only $30 for 20 boards. Circuit boards from PCBWay, it's a no-brainer. Oh, and they also do
3D printing, CNC machining, injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, SMD stencils, flexible PCBs, and more.
PCBWay, prototype the easy way. What a mess. But with the power of editing, This center panel must be glued down. I'll just have to mask it before painting. Damn, the owner of these headphones is nasty. I'll clean the rest of the residue off with alcohol. These pieces appear to be white plastic painted black. Obviously the printing is going to be removed with the alcohol. After cleaning these up, it's time to prep them for painting. Using some fine sandpaper, I can scuff up the surface so it's ready to grab onto that paint. I don't want any spray paint getting on the inside padding, so I'll block off all the holes. Before giving everything a final wipe down with alcohol to degrease. I've got some replacement pieces for all the disintegrating faux leather, but I'm going to use the original foam though, as this one doesn't feel dense enough. I want to quickly restore the colour of these external screws, as some of the coating is worn off. I'll just dip the heads in some vinegar, give them a scrub, and spray them with some satin black paint. I'll use some hot glue to stick this padding back down, making sure to waste 10 times more glue than I use. The top of the replacement headband seems to be thicker than the original, and I can't close it up. But I should be able to bend the ends of this metal band and make it sit flush. Just a small bend is all that's needed. I'm using a cloth to protect the painted screws from the screwdriver. I am so clever. Kapton heat-resistant tape can be very handy when soldering. I think it turned out awesome, and they sound great. It's amazing what a coat of paint can do for sound quality.